person will call you and say, hey, could you come over here and check my project out and give me some ideas and blase blase. You take time out of your schedule to either talk to them on the phone or go physically to go help them, and then you just lost all that time, and 9 times out of 10, a lot of them don't even do the job right then, or they just want some information from you to steal some information. Um, you wasting your time and money. So you know what I decided to start doing? I charge mileage to come check out your project, to come talk to you about your project. I got a flat rate. I'll come out here and talk to you about your project for this price because I'm losing money. I'm losing time talking to you. I'm losing money driving to your project and driving back, and you ain't even ready. You just want to steal some information. You just want to see what it costs, compare it with this and this. Well, if you're going to do that, it's fine. I have no problem. But I'm going to charge you for it because you ain't finna waste my time coming out to your spot and talking to you for 30 minutes to an hour on the phone, and you still haven't even made your mind up, but you want to gain information. This is bad, man, around here. Bad. And it's just not the city of Phoenix. It's throughout the U.S. People would love for you to think for them for free. You know what I mean? Like, damn. You know, man, I'm not doing this stuff for free. I'm doing this to have a business to be established. You know what I mean? If whatever situation you're in, I get it. But it costs money. Ain't nothing free, man. Ain't nothing free out here. Nothing. Extremely nothing. You know what I mean? Our kids got it good. And once they hit that certain age, they got to start paying for stuff. You see what I'm saying? That's the reality. The system has been made to be that way here in America. So, charge them a flat rate for your time. Charge them mileage to go to the place, either or. But your time is very valuable. Don't let someone waste your time.